Hello, my name's Carl White, I'm from Porsche Newcastle, and today we're in the countryside and we'll have a Macan Turbo. The car is Volcano Grey Metallic. It has 21-inch Sport Classic wheels painted in high gloss black. The engine is a 2.9 6-cylinder, pushing out 440 brake horsepower and 550 Nm of torque. With the boot storage, you get a large amount of space. Moving on to the interior of the car, we have 18-way adaptive sports seats in the front with a memory package. We have a heated steering wheel and a sports chrono package including the mode switch.